Say hello to code in English. Start generating your code at the speed of thought by using artificial intelligence. We are introducing a revolutionary product, Code in English, that can generate code from plain English in multiple languages. Currently, we support Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, C#, PHP, HTML, Go, Perl, Ruby, TypeScript, Haskell, Kotlin, Scala, Swift, and Dart languages. This improves the productivity of the software developers by 4x. Let us take a problem and display code in different programming languages. This is problem 7 taken from the Euler project verbatim. By listing the first 6 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13, we can see that the 6th prime is 13. What is the 10,001st prime number? The code is generated in Python. We have taken the same problem of computing 10,001st prime number and then generated the code in JavaScript. For the same problem of finding 10,001st prime number, we have generated the code in Java. At last, we have generated the code in C++ for the same problem to compute 10,001st prime number. This shows how easily we can generate the code in different languages for the same problem. Apart from generating code, it can explain the code in English. It can also generate data analytics code, SQL, and shell commands. Data analytics: enter a description in English and generate Python code to do any data analytical task. Now we take a problem in data analytics and generate code in Python using the pandas library. Open gupminder.csv, then 1. Add new column total GDP using the formula POP multiplied by GDP per cap. 2. Drop column year. 3. Group by country and compute average total GDP and sort on this in descending order. 4. Display top 10 rows. Now, we take another problem in data analytics and generate code in Python using the pandas library. Open gapminder.csv. 1. Add new column per GDP per cap by computing % of column GDP per cap for each row. 2. Sort in descending order of per GDP per cap. 3. Print top 10 rows. 4. Print last 10 rows. Generate SQL from English description by providing table name and list of columns. We take a problem where the SQL is generated by joining two tables. Table departments containing columns department ID, department name, country ID, country name. Table employees containing columns employee ID, employee name, employee_salary, department ID. Get the employee name, salary, and department name of the top 15 employees whose salary is the highest. Enter the code and it explains the code in English. The code was generated from problem 10 taken from the Euler project verbatim. We have given the code and asked it to explain in English in 5 sentences. Generate shell command from English description. The problem given was read sample.txt and display the top 10 words with the highest frequency. So what are you waiting for? Please visit www.fastivai.com and register now.